Oscar, you got a new car today. Yeah, bud, we got a new car. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, new ride, new whip. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We are headed off to make some models right now because my new daily driver arrived late last night. And then also the Aventador. Finally, we are installing the full 1016 Industries carbon fiber kit. We're talking carbon splitter, carbon side skirts, and then there's something else. There's a third thing. The third thing, finally, the squeaky door is gonna be no more, theoretically. We have a new gas strut we're gonna install today that should theoretically fix the issue, presumably. It's gonna be a little bit risky. We have no paint protection film, we got no vinyl. This paint is completely exposed. I gotta drive it that way to make some models. I didn't really have a choice. It just sort of is what it is. Also, we're very, very, very late. We are very, very, very late. We need Corsa mode, yes. Oh my gosh. Now we're on time. We've made it, boys. We have arrived here to make some models. The new daily is somewhere there in the showroom. The Aventador is getting the carbon fiber pieces. I kind of miss the orange. I don't know, I kind of do. Make some models is popping today. Also my underglow, I hit a raccoon and it ripped it all off except for one light. We got the Gallardo right here, but check out the color on this 360 Spider. Whoa. I don't know if you could hear anything of what I was trying to say. I hit a raccoon about a week ago, and unfortunately the raccoon, well, it had already died, so I just killed it further, but it ripped off my underglow except for this one light. So unfortunately, underglow RIP, also raccoon RIP, moment of silence. We have three main things getting done here at Make Some Models. We got the 1016 carbon fiber bits, carbon splitter, carbon side skirts. Ty is gonna be fixing the squeaky door. We have a new gas strut, and then also the rear deck lid. Those two struts are also worn out. Those are being replaced. And then the frequency intelligence control module for the Valvetronic is also being replaced with a new forged carbon remote. Yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that. I've been snaking you for too long. I can finally see the new daily driver. This is not what anybody expected. Well, yeah, no. There's kind of been four main cars I've been looking at. We got the Ford Focus RS, we got the Subaru STI WRX, we got the Volkswagen Golf R, and the Honda Civic Type R. But all those cars, you know, they're turbocharged, but they only have a 4-cylinder. And so I decided, you know what? We need a V12. And so, ladies, I'm just kidding. I did not buy an F12 Pro. I'm a terrible person. I bought an Audi. I'm just kidding. Wait for it, wait for it. Dun dun dun. We got the Yas Marina BMW. I'm just kidding. That's not it either. We got the GT3 RS and we have the Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. But, ladies and gentlemen, the snakery is over. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Hey-oh, we got the Ford Focus RS, the 2017, finished here in nitrous blue. This is officially the new daily driver. Oscar, this is your new ride. Oscar's at home right now because I only have the Aventador and the Gallardo. He can't ride in those anymore because he's too big and too fluffy. So the Focus RS is the new daily, and this one is spec to the max. It has a bunch of awesome mods. It only has 7,000 miles. So I've been searching for this car all around the country, Make Some Models, hooked it up, and we found the perfect car. I need to go sign a bunch of paperwork because I actually have to pay for the car. So we're gonna do that, maybe right, Abby, yeah? All right, full send. Unfortunately, the F12 is not the new daily. That would've been cool though, Lisa, right?
Yes, it would've been.
Oh, someday. The V12 is coming to the channel, I mean, the second V12 is coming to the channel soon. Abby has a bunch of paperwork for me to sign. Is this gonna be a hard process? Or
Yeah.
and I need to give you a check too, right?
Probably.
Oh, okay, so there's a chance I might not have to give them a check. We'll see, more to come, I'll update soon. Wait, what?
You're set.
I'm good? I can take it, right now.
Right now.
This is not the key to the F12. That's okay, we'll take the RS. It should sound better than the Audi R8, theoretically. We're gonna get a couple reps just for you guys. Just trying to hook you up, here we go. Sounds good, sounds really good. Massive shout out to Abby Make Some Models for helping me get my dream Focus RS. This paint under the sun, just wait. Wait for it, wait for it. Ew. I don't know, there's just something about this nitrous blue. It is quintessential Focus RS. Oscar, you got yourself a ride, bud. Yes. I kind of always sort of knew I would go Focus RS. It looks so good. So this car has had a bunch of aftermarket mods done to it. We're gonna talk about that more later, but the Aventador, we gotta go get an update with Ty. We kind of missed a bunch of the install. 2/3 of the carbon has been installed. It looks so good. I cannot wait to get the front bumper rewrapped purple. It sits very, very low and extends probably an extra 2 inches, so I think it's a proper opportunity for a moment of silence. The carbon is panel bonded onto the paint.
So it doesn't fly off when you're doing 65 in Mexico.
55 in America.
55 in
And then in Mexico, it's full send. Fits like a glove. We have to head to the bank, so we're actually gonna come back to Make Some Models to actually pay for the Focus. We also have to head home because Oscar, well, he needs to see his new whip. Yes. I'm so excited to finally have the Focus RS. Massive shout out to Make Some Models for helping me find the right one, right color, right spec. It only has 7,941 miles on it. It's a 2017 nitrous blue. We got the Recaro Alcantara racing seats. We got the 6-speed manual transmission. This thing is sick. So we're gonna head home, we're gonna let Oscar out, then we're going to the bank to get a check. We're headed back to Make Some Models to give said check, and then we're gonna film more on the Aventador. I'm leaving the Aventador here overnight, and then we'll come pick it up tomorrow or Friday. What's today? Yeah, Friday. The Focus RS is just like a little street legal go-kart, and it has so much power, and that exhaust is popping. This car is sick. It is so much fun to drive. Oscar! Oscar, hey bud, your new car, come see it. Come on. Yeah, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work, dude? Oh, well, just hopping right on in. Alcantara Recaro racing seats too. Yeah, it's nice, it's yours. It's yours. This is probably gonna trigger a lot of you guys, but what do you think about white wheels with the nitrous blue? Paint to sample Oscar white wheels. I think they'd look really good. More to come. Focus RS has already been to Mountune, so this is definitely not stock. We have the Mountune intake, we got Mountune intercooler, we got all sorts of really cool performance mods. This car is probably pushing close to 415, maybe 420 horsepower to the crank. Stock RS is 350. We got a lot more mods coming to this car soon, including maybe a bigger turbo, and obviously the white wheels, so it's it's not, it's probably gonna happen. I gotta go, bud. I gotta go. I gotta pay for your Focus. I know, I'm sorry. I'll see you soon, okay? I would take Oscar with me, but it's like 105 degrees outside and all that white fluff. He's happier in an air-conditioned house versus Focus RS. So we are headed to Chase to get a check and then Make Some Models. Unfortunately, I do actually have to pay for the Focus RS, so we're here at Chase. Not a paid product placement for Chase or its affiliates, but could you imagine if it was? Then we would have made it. Check in hand. I don't know, I really think white wheels would look good. Oh man, I can just see the comments now, typing away. I triggered ya, didn't I? I triggered ya. I love this car already. This has been awesome. I'm so glad I got the Focus RS. And we're back at Make Some Models. She's popping. Oh, this exhaust sounds good. I can't say anything bad about the other cars I was looking at. However, I didn't go Golf R. I realize these are all GTIs, but I think, yeah. We got the 599 right there. That thing is sick. This car is so underappreciated. That would be a cool V12 to add someday. Are these the wheels for my RS already?
Yeah.
No way, dude, Josh hooking it up. Let's see him, hurry. Come on. The viewers are impatient. Ooh, 305 Forge, not bad. I was just kidding. These aren't, yeah, I apologize, but very cool. I have 305 Forged on the Gallardo and they look killer. We need wheels. This is a guy to get me wheels. Next week? Next week. This is for you, Abby. Don't come repossess my vehicle. I paid for it in full. So that should be the full amount.
Thank you.
We good?
Yep.
Yes. Good news, bad news. Good news, we replaced the gas strut. It needed to be replaced anyways. Bad news, the squeak, it won't die. It's not gonna die. So, plan B, which there isn't one. Well, there is, but more to come. What do you reckon?
Seems fishy to me.
Yeah, but it's good for now. It has a sound to it that's really nice. I think it's fixed. I think we're good. Boys, the squeak is gone. We're good, we did it. Well, when I say we did, obviously I mean Ty, but I was here for moral support, which honestly probably means more than you really think it might. Did that make sense? Yeah, it made sense. Ford Focus Nation right here. I don't know what kind of mileage this car gets, but I'd imagine it's better than 6, which is what the Aventador gets, so. I half expected the Focus RS to take like regular unleaded, but it takes 91 plus premium, so. Yeah. If there's any Ford executives watching today's video, I just wanted to point out I got rejected for my GT application back in February, and since then we got a Focus RS and we got a GT350. So any executives watching today's video, I hope you're having a great day. There is that Mark II that just came out, so you know, call me maybe or send me a DM on Instagram, send me an email, whatever you need to do, just let me know, because the GT Mark II would look great next to the Gallardo and the Aventador. Focus RS, I'm so excited to have this car. We got all sorts of mods coming to a vlog near you. The goal is to do all the work myself. On the Aventador, the Gallardo, I don't really do anything, but the goal on the RS is to do all the work myself to an extent. I mean, yeah, I have limitations when it comes to working on cars. And the limitations aren't anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.